Hello everyone, welcome back. I have a bag of goodies to unbox today, or unbag. Yeah, unbag. These were sent to me free from Beebeecraft. I will put the name right here so that you can see. Beebeecraft, which is an online crafting shop where you can find various materials and molds. I think a lot of you have heard of them, but they were new to me, so I checked out their website and they do a YouTube program, which is amazing because they allow small channels with over 100 subscribers a chance to apply for the program. So they sent me free items in exchange for a few videos on said items. You can find the link to their program in the description below, along with a coupon code. And guys, this is amazing for me. I have never offered a coupon code that's been created just for me, for you. So this is a big step for my channel. The coupon code is for 10% off your whole order and it's valid until 2026. That's insane, isn't it? All the links to the products in this bag will be in the description below, so check that out. Everything's in the description. Just see where it says hello down here. Okay, I've made you wait long enough. Let's get to the unbagging. I keep saying unboxing, forgive me. The unbagging of what I asked for. So no surprise, these are skull key rings. Yes, I went for the skulls. It was the first thing I saw that I added to the basket. And I was like, I would love to try these. But look, aren't they great? Aren't they cute? They are. I'm really looking forward to trying these out. They look really good. There's no blemishes on them and the mold feels like nice quality silicone mold. Flexible, but not too flexible. That's a good mould. I'm looking forward to using these. I think they'll be nice and easy to demold as well. Also, I'm sorry I don't have any ambient sound, so you can't hear the rustle of the bag, but I did have a lot of background interference noise that I couldn't really use. Okay, so this one really surprised me because I only ordered one, or at least I thought I did, just one of these little moulds. But here is a whole bag of them and I was really surprised. So it's this cute little shell mould. You've got one big shell and two little ones with a keyring, little nubbin in there for your keyring hole. I just was not expecting all of the others. I'm just very surprised. I'm usually very good at reading listings and knowing what I'm getting, and I obviously didn't read it properly, because Beebeecraft let me pick out a few items of my own choice, which they sent to me. So it wasn't a surprise bag. I knew the moulds that I was getting. I just obviously didn't know the quantity of the moulds I was getting. But yeah, it looks like a good mould. I really appreciate that on the bottom they have put the little circle stand, circle support. So that, I mean, obviously it's not going to be heavy, but that's a nice addition. Also, I think most crafters have in their arsenal of silicone moulds a shell or a seashell of some kind. I don't have any, surprisingly enough, so it was nice to have this in my collection and I'm looking forward to using it. So again, I was only expecting one of these and there's a whole bag. Shame on you, Laura, you obviously did not read the listing properly. I swear it was just for one. And it's this, look, it's a little dolphin. I saw this and I thought, oh, that's so cute. I'm going to have to try that because I keep putting various other dolphin molds in my basket from either Temu or Amazon, and I still haven't bought one yet. So I chose one of these, or a whole bag apparently, not just one. So I set it down on its little support stand and I am a little concerned because it's a bit wobbly. It's quite a thin mold and it's quite wobbly, so I'm going to try that obviously in the next video. We'll see how that one goes. I'm very curious, but it might just be that the weight of the resin sets it on the table properly, so there might not be any issue. So keep an eye out because I will be doing a follow-up video using these molds and demonstrating what they look like and how well they cure, how well they come out. And again, for the third time I was surprised because this should have just been a single mold, but I've got a whole kit here. I've got materials. It should have just been a single mold. So did I really not read things properly, or was it just hidden from me? But no, this is awesome because I can use these materials on this mold or the other molds in a future video. So I'm using everything that they've given me to demonstrate the moulds that they've also given me. You probably can't tell what this is, but it's a little 3D ghosty. I saw it, I had to have it. So I put it on the list, hoping that they would accept, and they did, so I've got this little ghosty. He seems to already have some glitter inside, so I picked those out. There is a mark on the mould. I thought that was another bit of glitter or something, but it's not. It's in the mould, so I couldn't pick that out. So this mould is quite a rubbery mould, quite flexible. I do have the Skull tea light holder in this kind of mould, and I thought it was too floppy to hold heavy resin, but it wasn't actually. It did hold it pretty well, so I don't really have any concerns with the floppiness of this mould. Excuse the lack of a better term. I'm going to be doing these in 2 separate videos, so I'm going to be using resin in 1 or 2 of the moulds, and then in another video I'll be using the others that I haven't used. My question is, who do you want to see first? Who? I mean, what? Or which mould would you like me to demo first? Or should I be asking which 2 moulds? Because they separate into 2 videos quite nicely. So I could do the ghost and the dolphin mould in 1 video. And then in the second video, I can demo the shell and the skull. So let me know in the comments below which ones you'd like to see in the first video. I'll also try and use the materials they've given me as well. Obviously, like this glitter, I'll try and incorporate that into the resin somehow. I'm not really a glitter person, but I do enjoy using it every now and then. But you might have to help me out with colour choices, because if it's not black, white or a dark colour, I tend to get a bit lost with bright colours. It's kind of ironic coming from an illustrator who knows colour theory, but doesn't use it that much. I am pretty impressed that this last mould came with a whole kit for me to use, which is amazing. I really didn't expect that. So I've got the little mixing pot, I've got the pack of glitters, I've got the pipettes and little spoons to dish things out, and wooden stirring sticks. I'm always in need of wooden stirring sticks. And little finger guards, rubber finger guards. Okay, so that was my unbagging, should I say. Thank you so much to Beebeecraft for sending me these items. If you're interested in the YouTube program that Beebeecraft offer, you can find the link below in the description. And don't forget, there's a coupon code, 10% off your whole order, in the description as well. And any links to the products that you've seen in this video are also in the description. So any questions, you'll probably find it in the description. Just go there. And don't forget, comment below which 2 moulds you'd like to see first in the next video. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you did stick around to the end, doubly thanks. Doubly thanks? Double thanks? Extra thanks. Many thanks. Please hit that like button, and if you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. My posting schedule is a little bit all over the place at the minute, so if you want to hit that notification bell as well, it'll let you know when I next post a video. I am currently working on a comic project. I'm an illustrator, and it is very time consuming, so I have to steal bits of time here and there for my craft channel, and they are a bit random. Okay then, I'll catch you in the next one, or you catch me in the next one. That's how it works. See you.